Hey guys, this is Dawn with the Lawton team, and I'm here with my friend Mike Messer of NFM Lending. And we're gonna try to wrap this up, this little segment, with the home buying process. So there are about a few steps, okay? So first we have where you get qualified for a loan, and then we go out and search for your home. You find your home, we make an offer on your home. We go through an inspection period, an appraisal period, then we go through the close of escrow. So there is a lot of steps in there, and we are here to help you walk through all of those steps. However, we have to get past that first step, and that is actually qualifying for a home. Now there's terms out there that says pre-approval, right? And then there's also terms out there saying pre-qualification. Here in Arizona, a strong offer is with an actual AAR pre-qualification form. And so Mike, I know that buying a home here in Arizona, it is strong when you have a pre-qualification with your offer.
Correct.
Yeah, and so when you have that pre-qualification with your offer, it actually helps sellers make a better decision when it comes to who they want to choose as far as the buyer of their home. So Mike, if you want to talk to them a little bit about what does it mean to have a pre-qualification?
Sure. So a lot of information, and to your
Yes.
point, there's a lot of steps in the home buying process, but yes, naturally step one is that pre-qualification process. And that really just starts with doing the application as a borrower, coming to somebody out like myself to get that pre-qualification. Now, Arizona is unique in that we have a specific form. I'm licensed in other states that it's really just kind of a form letter, a Word document basically. But in Arizona, we have a specific form that has to be completed with check boxes as to what have I done as the lender to qualify this person. Have I seen W-2s? Have I seen pay stubs? Have I seen income? All of those things. And those are all check boxes. And to your point, when you're presenting an offer to a seller and they have that, it gives them an opportunity to see that I've done my due diligence on behalf of our mutual client. And they know they've got something stronger than somebody that has all the boxes checked no, and basically all they've done is confirm that the person has a pulse.
Yeah, so it's just another way of confirming to our seller that you're committed to buying this property. Okay, so that is great information about being pre-qualified. However, there is another misconception out there that if someone goes to get pre-qualified, that it's going to hurt their credit score. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Absolutely, and that is a question I get probably more than any other, particularly from first-time home buyers. So at the bottom of this video, we're going to include a link to the CFPB's website that speaks specifically to it, but in the shortest term, the answer is no.
Okay.
Once we pull your credit, that credit report is good for 120 days. And once you are provided this link and you go to the CFPB website, you will see specifically that they have changed the rules pertaining to credit, and that it will not, in fact, that single bureau pull will not, in fact, affect their credit.
Okay. All right. Thank you guys once again for taking the time to watch our informational video of the home buying process. Like I said before, there are a lot of steps in this process and a lot of moving pieces. But however, with Mike and I working for you, we can help simplify that process and help get you to the end. So if you have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out to us. Our name, our numbers, and our emails are listed in this video at the end. So thank you again, and we appreciate you. Mike, you have anything else?
I think we're good. Thank you so much for joining us today.